In this video, I'm going to talk to you about bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is a very good clay for detoxing the face and body. It's a very special clay, and this is how it looks. This is the gray color it has. Let's zoom this in. Basically, it's a natural clay with a fine soft texture. It can be used to make a facial clay by adding water to it to make it a paste. You can use it for acne prone sensitive skin and all skin type. This is a detox clay. It's going to absorb excess oil from the skin, so it's a detox clay. So expect the detoxing ability of this clay when you are using it. It's mainly best for oily acne prone skin and also for sensitive skin. It's best used at least once in a week because it's very strong. You can mix this with kaolin clay to make a very powerful detox clay. So basically how you use this is that you take a teaspoon of bentonite clay, then you add enough water to it to make a paste. Please do not keep this in your fridge. Just make the one you want to use at a time, okay? Do not keep it in the fridge. You're going to add water to it and mix it well to form a paste. You're going to apply a lot of mixing to this to form a paste for you. So basically, bentonite clay takes a lot of work when it comes to mixing it, so you really have to mix it well to really enjoy this clay. So mix it well, then once it forms a paste, you apply it on your face, then leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, because this clay is very fast absorbing. You don't want to leave it too much on your face, okay? Once I make a paste, apply it to your face and I'll leave it between 5 to 10 minutes. Then you clean it with warm water. You clean it with warm water, pat dry, and tone your face with a very gentle toner. Because this is going to draw out a lot from your skin, you don't want to use a strong toner like AHA toner. No, you just want to use a moisturizing toner to tone your face then before you apply your other skincare ingredients. So that's how to use this clay. You ask me how often should I use bentonite clay? Bentonite clay is very fast acting and it draws a lot. I recommend that you use it once or twice every week. If you have oily skin, you can use it twice, but you have to leave days in between. So if you use it on Monday, give it another 3 days before you use it, and make sure you use it 2 times a week. That is going to help you control oil. It's going to help you regulate oil production, and it's going to leave you with a very smooth radiant skin. It's a very good clay that you can use to remove impurities, toxins, and oil from the face. So that is about it. I hope this video is helpful enough. If you want to learn more about other clays, I've made a lot of videos about different types of clay, so check those videos out to learn more about different types of clays you can use. Look in the description box below for where you can get your own bentonite clay powder. This is a channel where I teach you how to make different skincare products, take care of your skin, and how to learn how to make skincare products yourself. So do well, click the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload new videos. If you want to learn how to make skincare products yourself, naturalskincareschool.com is the place to go. So head over there now and join us to be a part of the exciting project we're doing. We make each skincare product project by project basis, so you're going to do well by visiting naturalskincareschool.com to take advantage of the project we are doing. Thanks for watching, everyone.